The following is a base 10 number. Convert this number to base 60 and then write it in modern sexagesimal form. Place the appropriate numbers in the boxes given. We are given the base 10 number 3,386.65 or 3,386 and 65/100ths. The semicolon in this form represents where the decimal point would be, and therefore we'll convert 3,386 to base 60 using these two place values, and then we will convert 65/100ths or 0.65 to base 60 using this place value. We know in base 10 the place values are powers of 10, and in base 60 the place values are powers of 60. The first step is to determine the highest power of 60 that will divide the whole number of 3,386 at least once. And because 60 squared is equal to 3,600, which is greater than 3,386, the highest power of 60 that will divide 3,386 at least once is 60 to the first, which means this place value is the 60 to the first, or 60's place value. This place value is 60 to the 0 or 1's place value, and this place value to the right of the decimal point is 60 raised to the power of -1, or the 1/60th's place value. We begin by determining the whole number in the 60's place value by dividing the whole number of 3,386 by 60. We first determine how many 60's in 338, which is 5. 5 times 60 is 300. We subtract. The difference is 38. Bring down the last digit of 6. Determine how many 60's in 386, which is 6. 6 times 60 is 360. We subtract. The difference is 26. The quotient of 56 is the whole number in the 60's place value. The next step is to take the remainder and divide it by the value of the next place value, which is the 1's place value. Well, we know that 26 divided by 1 is going to be 26, and therefore 26 is the whole number in the 1's place value. So now we know that 3,386 in base 10 is 56, 26 base 60, but we still need to determine what 0.65 is in base 60. We need to determine how many 1/60ths are in 0.65, which is another quotient. We would have 0.65 divided by 1/60th, but this time let's write this quotient in a different form. Let's write 0.65 as 65/100ths, and then we have divided by 1/60th. Dividing by 1/60ths is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal. This is equal to 65/100ths times 60 over 1. And now we can simplify before multiplying. 60 and 100 share a common factor of 20. There are 3 20's in 60 and 5 20's in 100, and 5 and 65 share a common factor of 5. There's 1 5 and 5, and 13 5's in 65. Notice now this is just 13 times 3, which equals 39. And now we know there are 39 1/60ths in 0.65, which means 39 is the whole number in the 1/60ths place value. (3,386.65) in base 10 is equal to 56, 26, semicolon 39 in base 60. And let's verify this before we go. Let's verify that 3,386.65 is equal to 56 times 60 plus 26 times 1 plus 39 times 1/60th. Let's verify this on the calculator. 56 times 60 plus 26 times 100 is 26, plus 39 times 1/60th does give us 3,386.65 in base 10. I hope you found this helpful.